Masayang ipinagdiwang ni Kim Chiu ang Chinese New Year kahapon, January 29. Nag-upload ng video ang aktres ng mga kaganapan sa selebrasyon sa kanyang bahay at makikita rito na namigay siya ng pera at regalo with matching paraffle pa sa mga kapamilya, kaibigan at kasamahan sa trabaho. Sa caption ay ibinahagi ni Kimi ang kahalagahan ng pagdiriwang ng Chinese New Year sa kanyang pamilya na kinagisnan niya noong bata pa siya. As we all know, Filipino-Chinese ang aktres dahil ang lola niya ay pure Chinese. Growing up, Chinese New Year was always a celebration my family never missed. It was a time of joy, tradition, and togetherness, where we welcomed another year with hope, prosperity, and gratitude, bungad ng aktres sa caption. Aniya, siya na ngayon ang nagpapatuloy ng kanilang tradisyon sa pamilya. Now that I am older, I continue to uphold these traditions at home, not just for myself but to share them with the people close to me. As a Filipino-Chinese, I take pride in embracing our rich culture, from preparing lucky dishes to following customs that have been passed down through generations, proud na pahayag ng aktres. Aniya pa ay masaya siyang ipagpatuloy ang Chinese beliefs and traditions na humubog sa kanyang pagkatao. What makes this celebration even more special is being able to introduce it to my family and friends, allowing them to experience the beauty of our traditions. Seeing them join me in welcoming the new year, trying new customs, and appreciating the beliefs that have shaped who I am fills my heart with so much gratitude. After all, we all have different beliefs, and there is no harm in celebrating something that brings positivity, abundance, and hope, say ng Chinita Princess. Para kay Kimi, ang tunay na diwa ng Chinese New Year ay hindi lamang nasa mga tradisyon kundi sa mga taong kasama sa pagdiriwang. Surrounded by my loved ones and the people I work with behind the scenes, I am reminded that the true essence of this celebration is not just in the traditions but in the people we share it with. It's a night of fun, gratitude, and prosperity, and I couldn't be more thankful, saad pa ng dalaga. Here's to another year of blessings, good fortune, and love. Kung Hey Fat Choi, pagtatapos ng aktres.